I'm going to show you how to build a nice and easy 2x4 sawhorse. Let's do it. First step as always, put on them safety glasses. Next thing we're going to do is measure out 32 inches. Put us a couple marks. Wow. Take your speed square. And now we're going to have to cut 7 of these out. Let's head to the miter saw. Now that we got our line ready to be cut, we're going to make our first cut. Now, like always, take this board here. Use that as a guide. Get it flush. Make you another line. Make another cut. Now we're going to proceed to cut the other 5 of them out. Alright guys, so now that you got all 7 of your 2x4s cut, what you're going to do is, you're going to take one, set it down like this, and you're going to make a T shape. I'm going to use some nails for the top of this. If I can drive it in there. Now, we're going to send a couple more nails all the way down this board. Now that you got your nice and handy T shape made, you're going to flip it over and you're going to turn that shape into an I. So same thing here, you're just going to get it the best you can. Line her up and start driving some nails. Now that you got your eye shape, what you're going to do is this is where we're going to use our screws. You're going to put you a piece just like that. Let me grab a little screw here. Put your screw like this, get your board like that lined up. Let me turn my drill up. Just like that. Put you another one in there. Just like so. Now you're going to rotate to your other side. Wow, give me 1 second. Sink you a screw here. Just like so. Grab you another one. Sink you another screw. There you go. Now you're going to flip this bad boy over. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, you have officially got you a nice and easy Sawhorse. And trust me, she's sturdy. Let me have her on this one. Hold up. Yeah. Y'all see that? That's about 295 pounds of weight on this Sawhorse right now. That easy, that quick, that simple. So the reason why we building these Sawhorses, we're gonna be start building these nice live edge tables, getting to the river tables, all that type of stuff. We just made a nice coffee table. We're gonna show that right now. That was a good fun project. Took about 3 days to do. Obviously it's not perfect, but you know, you live and you learn. But yeah, cameraman, if you show them these nice and huge slabs that we got over here. Sorry about the mess. We've been moving a lot of wood, but these right here are 11'5", I believe they are, slabs. I think they're either white oak or red oak. If you know, let me know in the comments, please, if you can ID that wood for me. But yeah, we're gonna start making these tables. I don't know what this is either. So we can, my wood supplier actually just gave that to me. Shout out to Benford Brewery. But yeah, so if you can identify this wood, that would be great. But that's what we're about to get into. Let me know if you're excited for those type of builds. Like I said, we're going to put in pictures and stuff of the ones we just built. But yeah, so we just needed a couple more Sawhorses to maybe get some slabs off the floor. And then plus when we pour the epoxy, you know, we can just let the epoxy drip onto our little cardboard mat that we put on the floor so everything don't get messy. But yeah, I mean, as you can tell, she's sturdy. Obviously, my big back sitting on it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. We're trying to figure out how to do the giveaway. Like I said, we got a giveaway coming. I appreciate y'all so much for 1,000 subscribers. That means so much to me. Really, thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. It's a dream coming true. Can't wait to keep putting out awesome content for y'all. And like I said, we're going to figure out that giveaway, and one of y'all will be getting 4 items. So like I said, it's going to be a custom cup, a ring toss game, bottle opener, and then there's one more I forget. Every time I tell y'all, I forget one of them. There's one more, but I'll put it in the description or something. So if anybody out there, maybe Bearded Viking, if you're watching this, also shout out Bearded Viking, he's the man. But if you're watching this and you can tell me how to do the dono and like how to pick a random subscriber, that would be great. But yeah, y'all, like I just said, thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. We really appreciate it, and we're gonna continue to grow. 2025 gonna be a great year. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.